Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a sympathy letter. This letter is a heartfelt message expressing condolences and offering support to someone who has experienced a loss. You will begin your letter by including your name, address, email, and the date at the top. Below that, you will add the recipient's name and address. The subject line, "My deepest condolences," will clearly state the purpose of your letter. You will then address the recipient by name in a respectful and compassionate manner. After that, write, "I was heartbroken to hear about the passing of deceased's name. Please accept my deepest condolences during this difficult time. I can only imagine how painful this loss must be for you and your family. Deceased's name was a wonderful person whose kindness and warmth touched so many lives, and their memory will always be cherished. Please know that my thoughts and prayers are with you. If there is anything I can do to support you, please don't hesitate to reach out. Wishing you strength and comfort in the days ahead. With heartfelt sympathy, your name." Here's our sample sympathy letter. See how it conveys heartfelt condolences, offers support, and expresses care during a difficult time. By following this format step by step, you can write a thoughtful and compassionate message that provides comfort to the recipient. This letter helps you show empathy, acknowledge their loss, and let them know they are not alone. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing meaningful and considerate letters.